For quality TIG welds, you need to take care of the proper preparation work of the weld piece. The V-groove should be grinded in a similar shape on both sides. During welding, the tip of the V-groove edges need to be melted for proper weld penetration on the root side. Steady side-by-side movement and filler wire adding is needed. The end of the weld must be completed correctly as well. As the end gas flow protects the weld from oxidation, wait until the melt pool has cooled down and the post-flow of the gas has ended. After ensuring this, you can adjust the gas flow on the welding machine accordingly. Welcome to Weld Education 2.0, brought to you by Cavitar.